Hurry, girls! Class is in session!
Wow!
This girl is rolling in Labubu money.
Whoa!
Maybe she'll like your handmade Labubu. Guess not. Subtlety isn't her strong suit, is it? I hope she realizes this means war! Wow, this Labubu fits right into the palm of your hand. Plus, it's filled up with some cool white slime. Uh-oh, looks like this guy could use a refill. Wow, these monster elves blow up so fast. Just be careful, you might just pop him. Ha ha, you're all wet. But a squishy Labubu does sound fun. Ugh, pre-chewed gum sure is nasty. But you gotta admit, it still is pretty stretchy. So let's take it all and roll it up into a ball. Now grab something clear to cover it up. Seems like a tight squeeze, but I think we're gonna make it. Next, we'll need something soft and fuzzy. I guess a fuzzy sock will have to do. And with a little customization, it's a new Labubu. A brand new Labubu stress ball, that is. By the looks of it, he's one tough cookie. Now that's what I call a Labubu dream house. And it's already completely furnished. Complete with a rubber ducky.
Wow!
You can have hours of fun with this. But don't worry, we can make our own fun. Complete with your very own toy house. This one's just gonna come pocket-sized. In fact, it's so fun-sized, it fits on your finger. There's all sorts of things your Labubu can do in here. And Thumbelina can come over for a play date. Wow! A Labubu dispenser! And it gives out jewelry. Oh, make sure to save a piece for me. Wait, that's not gold.
Wow!
It's chocolate. Even better. I repeat, make sure to save some for me. Probably should do something about those wrappers. Never knew gold grills could be so green. You know, recycling could work for you, too. Especially when you find a Labubu stencil. It could be the base for our new candy dispenser. Add a nice face on things. And candy. Plenty of candy. Spin the wheel, and you get yourself a treat. You earned it. Wow! These little Labubus sure are durable. So why don't we put these little guys to the test? And we've got just the machine to do it. So, anyone in the mood for pasta?
Yay!
Oh, don't worry. We can rebuild them. This test got a failing grade. But it's got all the answers we need. Especially with such sturdy tape. Fold it up until you've got a nice cube. Now fill it up with some Labubu puree. Seal it up and put a nice new face on things. Together, they make a super Labubu! Pre-calc sure is hard. Let's play a game.
Wow.
Wow, you sure know how to push his buttons. When you're done, he starts up all over again. And with a light show too, I might add.
Wow.
Maybe we can find an old Pop-It toy. Talk about old, it's all worn out. Well, if we're gonna have to work with holes, we might as well start from scratch. Seems simple. Make it into a box. Now we need some cubes with springs. Soon, we'll have a Labubu for each color of the rainbow. Plus a big bad boo-boo to keep an eye on things.
Yeah.
And the best part is, there are no batteries required. Never a dull moment at the Labubu boutique. Here, these pants really bring out your fangs. Work that runway. The camera loves you. Don't hate her because she's Labubu beautiful. Do you want to put on a fashion show? We can always go out thrifting.
Oh.
But it's always classy to get things custom made.
Wow.
Starting with a handmade Labubu paper doll. These clothes have a magnetic touch. And we're not talking about static cling. Ooh, guess some accessories are included. Positively scrumptious. And the lollipop's cool too. Ooh, expecting a delivery, are we? This looks like a special Labubu. You can wear her, and she likes warm hugs.
Huh?
While you're here, why don't we brush your fur?
Woohoo! Yeah.
And there's always time to accessorize. Oh, don't have one? Don't be jealous. But that might be easier said than done. Still, don't get mad. Get crafting. And your hairbands are just the thing to help. Add them to your finger and braid them like a pretzel. It's a bracelet with a whole lot of grip. Labubus of all sizes are welcome. Make one for each arm. What other merch have you got?
Huh?
Is that a pencil case? Complete with the latest Labubu stationery. Check it out. Ooh, 5 heads are better than 1. Of course, you can also write with it. But why not color with all the colors of the rainbow? Make it pink. Wait, no! Make it blue! But I've always been partial to green. You know, why don't we make a whole rainbow? But we're just getting started. You can draw all sorts of things. Can you guess what she's drawing?
Wow.
Notice a theme here? Okay, you are really quite the artist. But a true artist knows anything can become art. Toilet paper rolls? It just needs something extra fuzzy. Just wrap the rolls up in all this fuzz. All it needs is a zipper, and you've got your own pencil case. Aw, she's grown accustomed to that face. And wow, it's already got pens inside it. It's kind of generic, but this should be an easy fix. Use it to draw a Labubu pen cover. Make a pair and add some stuffing inside. And it seems like we've reached the point. Try it out. You can make covers for all of your pens. Now let's take you all to your new home. When it comes to candy rings, go big or go home. That's cool, but some prefer the handmade touch. Give these strawberry candies a bit of a pestle push. We can use it to whip up some cotton candy. These both look good. You want to trade? Ooh, a gummy ring! Dig in! You won't chip a tooth. Now for the candy floss. Hey, don't rain on her parade.
Oh no.
No candy allowed. Well, at least you've got math. Oh, careful with that sugar mastic. It kind of looks like an eraser. But we can make it anything we like. It's math class, so how about a calculator? Can't forget the numbers. Or symbols. Just make sure you use edible ink. Now let's see if it passes inspection.
What?
Well, let's see if it can do equations. It can? Oh, just what can't candy do? Of course, the real test is in the taste. And it looks like it passes with flying colors. Here, why don't you try for yourself? Marshmallows. But it's still math class. Uh-oh, it looks like someone forgot to study last night. But maybe those braids of yours can help. Wait a minute. These are marshmallow too.
Hey!
Oh no!
And you're not a real blonde either.
Uh-oh.
We better hide the squishies before he notices. Let's leave this stuffing for the squirrels. Besides, we can use them for a new craft. Just add toothpicks. Soon, you've got a zoo. I mean, sure, candy's not allowed in here, but I'm sure art class projects are okay. Wow, good thing he forgot this was math class. So, why don't we sneak in a few bites? You just know this is how he saves on snacks. Always gotta trick up your sleeve, I see. Okay, everybody, take out your notebook. It's time for your daily journal entry. Hold on, he's being called away on an anti-candy seminar. Which means all that candy's left unguarded.
Wow. Come on.
Grab a balloon. We're gonna need a lot of hot air. Next, add some blue paint. We're making a decoy globe. This girl really is a woman of the world. Now ditch the real one and get into place. Guess that lecture on marzipan ran longer than expected. Now why don't we sneak in a quick treat? And it looks like you're in good company. But some people just can't handle the tooth.
Ouch!
Ooh, they say the world's a scary place, but not quite like this.